In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new chart in TradingView on the desktop or web platform. Starting from scratch can seem a bit daunting, but I promise you'll have everything set up in no time with these simple steps. First, let's locate the Layout Manager. Look towards the top toolbar, and you'll either notice a layout name like Unnamed or a drop-down arrow next to it. Click on that, or if you prefer a more comprehensive overview, you can select Manage Layouts to see all your existing setups. This is essentially your starting point for managing how your charts will look and function. Once you're in the Layout Manager, the next move is to create a brand new layout. In the pop-up window, you'll see the option to create a new layout. Give it a click, then think up a custom name for your chart layout, something that helps you identify it easily later on, and hit Create. This new layout will open up a blank chart, essentially a blank canvas, ready for you to configure according to your trading needs. Now that your chart layout is open, it's time to dive into chart setup. You'll decide on the type of chart you want, perhaps a candlestick, line, or whatever suits your style. Adjust the time frame and style in the chart settings under the Style section. Then, use the FX button to add any indicators you might need and apply drawings as you find necessary. This personalization will make the chart better suited to your analysis techniques. If you feel like you need multiple charts for a more comprehensive view, it's easy to add them. Just click on the Select Layout option, represented by a grid icon on the toolbar. You'll find a variety of layout patterns to choose from, ranging from a simple 2-chart setup to a more complex array like a 4-chart or even 8+ chart layout, especially if you have a pro plan. Each of these charts functions independently, allowing you to display different symbols, timeframes, and indicators in each separate pane. When you've got a multi-chart setup, you might want to synchronize them for maximum efficiency. Look at the top toolbar to find the sync options. Here, you can choose to sync symbols, time frames, or even drawings, so any change in one pane is reflected across others, keeping your analyses aligned. All that's left now is to save your masterpiece. Hit Save Layout at the top, or if you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+S for Windows or CMD+S on a Mac. To keep your chart layouts up to date automatically, you might toggle the auto-save feature on or off, depending on your preference. And there you have it, a complete guide to setting up your new TradingView chart.